Hello UTV owners and fans, let me show you my DIY or my homemade muffler for my 2018 Can-Am X3. But first I'll remove this factory rear bumper and this plastic exhaust cover. Alright, let's check it out. Okay, here's a closer look of my exhaust system. This is a round exhaust made by Magnaflow. It is 14 inch in length and 4-inch width. Has a 2.5 inch inlet and 2.5 inch outlet. You can see there. And what I did is I bought this U-bend pipe from eBay, and I just chop them up and weld them together and make it look like this. It's been 2 years now and I don't have any leaks, but it's just my amateur ugly weld you can see here. Here I welded to the original factory bracket holder, and there it is. Oh, and also I have the Evo cat deletes in there. I don't know if you can see it right there, straight to the turbo, to my exhaust, and using this original tips and the here just to get that factory looks. But I'm gonna start it up and show you how it sounds like. That's what it sounds like. So tell me what you think. I like it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. For more video to come.